work. People trust us with their homes, possessions, stories, time, and money. That trust should be handled carefully. All right, when can coaching or mentorship help? You can learn a great deal from books, videos, professional organizations, and experience. But information alone does not always tell you what applies to your business, your market, your capacity, or even your goals. A mentor can help you evaluate questions such as, what service should I offer? Should I have a niche? What is my niche? How do I find my niche? Who are you best equipped to serve? How should you position your business? What should you consider when setting rates? What policies do you need? How do you conduct a professional consultation? How do you protect your time without becoming inflexible? How do you handle situations you have never encountered? How do you move from interest to a legitimate business? Mentorship does not remove the work. It helps you perform the work with a greater clarity and fewer preventable mistakes. It helps you perform the work with greater clarity and fewer preventable mistakes. It also gives you a place to ask questions that generic advice just cannot answer. So, do you have what it takes to become a professional organizer? Do you need to be perfect? You do not need to know everything before you begin, and you do not need to look or work exactly like another organizer. Not even if I am your mentor, you still don't have to fashion it after the way I do it. But you need to understand that this profession is about much more than tidy rooms. It's about serving people with competence, patience, sound judgment, clear boundaries, and integrity. It is also about building a business that can support both your clients and your own responsibilities. Now, if this video helped you recognize that professional organizing may be the right direction for you, your next step is to learn more about professional organizer coaching and mentorship. Use the link in this description to explore coaching, training, or consultation with me, Fullerton's Professional Organizing. You can find that on my website. It's the best next step for serious viewers who want help turning their interest in organizing into a professional service. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more honest conversations about becoming a professional organizer, serving clients well, and building an organizing business with professionalism and integrity. I will see you in the next video.